his farewell sermon delivered during his final pilgrimage to Mecca, Prophet Muhammad reiterated the importance of mercy, stating, "Be merciful to others, so that you may receive mercy. Forgive others, so that you may be forgiven." These words encapsulate the essence of his message and serve as a timeless reminder of the importance of compassion and forgiveness in Islam. Today, Prophet Muhammad's legacy of mercy continues to resonate with millions of Muslims around the world. His life and teachings serve as a beacon of light in a world often marked by darkness and despair, inspiring believers to emulate his example and strive for excellence in their character and conduct. In conclusion, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is truly a mercy to the world. His life was a testament to the transformative power of compassion, forgiveness, and benevolence, embodying the highest ideals of humanity and serving as a timeless example of mercy and grace for all of mankind.